Hello, I am Maria Escribano del Moral, a specialist in new family constellations by INSCONSFA, the Family Constellations Institute, Brigitte Champetier de Ribes, and I would like to invite you to come along to attend any of the online workshops that I facilitate in this new modality, which we call New Family Constellations. New Family Constellations were developed in 2005 by Bert Hellinger and further developed by Brigitte Champetier de Ribes. And basically, Bert Hellinger realized that it was another force that leads the constellation, not him, not the constellator, but this other force, which he called the spirit mind. This force knows everything, and this force knows what is best for the person that is constellating. It always leads the constellation to the solution that is good for all, the only solution that succeeds. And this solution is always something, as Bert Hellinger used to say, something that no one could have expected, something that the constellator himself couldn't have expected. The constellator in New Family Constellations steps back and lets this force lead the constellation. In New Family Constellations, we work in silence. There is no psychodrama. Representatives are very centered, very focused on their bodies. They are focused on the here and the now through their bodies in a kind of meditative state. And we see that this state is essential for the healing power of the constellation. Also, we have realized, Bert Hellinger realized, that we have no right to make representatives speak on behalf of the ancestors they represent. He realized that that was a way of usurping the place of the ancestors with dangerous consequences. Therefore, in this way of working, in New Family Constellations, we are very centered, very collected, always in contact with our bodies. The constellator is always checking with our bodies, with our guide that we experience through our body, by means of kinesthetics, every single step that we take to ensure that we are always in tune with the spirit mind, in tune with something greater, in tune with the destiny of the person that is constellating. And this is what makes this constellation so powerful, especially that they lead the person to surrender to what is. And it is when we are able to surrender to what is that our life can start changing, paradoxically. So I invite you to come along to any of the workshops that I lead, the online workshops, and to experience all this by yourself. So you are welcome.